The error 0x8D050002 is a general Microsoft Store error that occurs when the system fails to download, install, or update an app due to unexpected issues, usually related to the store's cache, internet access, or corrupted system files. It often appears with the message, "Something unexpected happened. Error code 0x8D050002. Here are the solution for this error.
Tell me what you need, tell me, tell me, tell me, tell me what you need, tell me, tell me.